Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 4th of December, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the explosion of AI and its energy demand is happening much faster than the pace at which utilities typically plan and build large power plants. In response, tech giants like Facebook and Google have taken extreme measures to keep up, cobbling together data centers in tents and signing contracts for their own power plants. Renewable energy so far remains the fastest and cheapest option to add power to the grid. Nearly 80% of the planned power plant capacity in the pipeline is tied to renewable sources, according to filings with federal regulators and grid operators. China's world-leading levels of climate pollution are expected to stay flat in 2025. This marks a reversal over the past decade when the industrial powerhouse saw its carbon emissions rise sharply. The clean tech behemoth and top coal producer globally is likely to see its emissions increase 0.2% based on data through September. That extends an 18-month period of relative stability for the nation's carbon output and occurs as energy demand is rising. Reading of the draft law on the implementation of the EU Renewables Directive RED III in the areas of wind energy at sea and electricity grids in the German Bundesstaat. A corresponding amendment to the Wind to Sea Act and the continuation of the Land Development Plan take time. Although some risk reduction measures contained in the law are very likely not to be sufficient to successfully award the next areas. This includes the extension of the implementation period for offshore wind farms to 12 months. Spain's debt to its creditors for renewable defaults after the 28 firm convictions in courts in various countries continues to increase. This is due to the accumulation of interest on delay to reach €300 million at the moment. The current state of debt that Spain maintains with creditors affected by the retroactive withdrawal of renewable premiums. The compensation issued in international arbitrations of a binding nature currently amounts to €1.75 billion. Suzlon Energy announced on Thursday that it will set up 3 new AI-enabled smart blade factories, 2 of which will come up in Gujarat and Karnataka, with the 3rd location to be finalized shortly. The expansion will take Suzlon's nationwide manufacturing footprint to 20 facilities. The new plants mark a major push by the company to speed up execution of its 6.2 gigawatt order book, reduce logistics time, and bring manufacturing closer to wind project hubs. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.